Welcome back to the Dream Cars, where today we take a deep dive into one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of the coming year, the Lexus ES 2026. For decades, the Lexus ES has stood as a symbol of refined elegance, whisper-quiet comfort, and uncompromising reliability. Now, for 2026, Lexus has elevated this icon to an entirely new level, blending cutting-edge technology with a design philosophy that continues to redefine modern luxury. The first thing you notice about the Lexus ES 2026 is its exterior presence. The signature spindle grille has been reimagined with a cleaner, more aerodynamic profile that feels futuristic yet instantly recognizable. Slim LED headlamps now integrate seamlessly into the bodywork, creating a sharper and more aggressive front fascia. From the side, a longer, flowing silhouette and sculpted lines give it a confident, grand touring stance, while the rear design embraces a more minimal approach with sleek LED tail lights that stretch elegantly across the trunk. Rolling on 19-inch alloy wheels with new multi-spoke designs, the ES 2026 is not just a car, it's a statement of style. Step inside, and the Lexus ES 2026 greets you with an interior that feels more like a high-end lounge than a traditional car cabin. The craftsmanship is impeccable, with hand-stitched leather, open-pore wood trims, and metallic accents that feel meticulously placed. Lexus has refined its Takumi artisan approach even further, ensuring every surface you touch feels premium. The new 14-inch high-resolution infotainment screen takes center stage, paired with a fully digital 12.3-inch driver's display that is both responsive and highly customizable. Voice control now feels more natural, responding to conversational commands for navigation, climate control, or entertainment. For audiophiles, the Mark Levinson 17-speaker premium sound system transforms every drive into a personal concert experience. Under the hood, Lexus offers multiple powertrains for the ES 2026. The standard model comes with a refined 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine delivering smooth, efficient performance, while higher trims feature a more powerful 3.5-liter V6 producing over 300 horsepower for effortless acceleration. For those who value sustainability without compromising luxury, the S300h Hybrid returns with improved fuel economy and enhanced electric motor performance, offering a near-silent drive in city traffic and remarkable efficiency on long journeys. All models are paired with an advanced 8-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless gear changes, while optional all-wheel drive ensures confidence in all weather conditions. Lexus engineers have also worked extensively on ride comfort and handling. The 2026 ES features an updated suspension system with adaptive dampers, allowing the car to glide smoothly over rough roads while still offering precise cornering stability. Noise insulation has been taken to another level, with triple-sealed doors and acoustic glass making the cabin one of the quietest in its class. This is a car designed for those who want to arrive feeling refreshed, no matter how long the drive. Safety is, as always, a top priority for Lexus, and the ES 2026 comes standard with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 3.0. This suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane tracing assist, pre-collision detection with pedestrian and cyclist recognition, intersection turn assist, and an enhanced blind spot monitoring system. A new 360-degree camera system and automated parking assist make maneuvering in tight spaces effortless. There's also a driver attention monitor that gently alerts you if it senses fatigue or distraction. The technology integration goes even further, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, over-the-air software updates, and a new Lexus digital key that allows you to unlock, start, and drive your ES using just your smartphone. Rear passengers are treated to their own climate controls, heated and ventilated seating, and USB-C fast charging ports, making every seat the best seat in the house. Driving the Lexus ES 2026 is an experience in serenity and precision. The steering feels light yet accurate, the brakes are responsive without being abrupt, and the overall refinement reminds you why Lexus has such a loyal following. Whether you're gliding through city streets, cruising on the highway, or navigating winding mountain roads, the ES delivers a consistent blend of comfort and confidence. In a market increasingly dominated by SUVs, the Lexus ES 2026 proves there's still a place for the luxury sedan. It offers a driving experience that is both soothing and engaging, wrapped in a design that will turn heads without shouting for attention. For those seeking a vehicle that merges timeless elegance with forward-thinking innovation, the Lexus ES 2026 is more than just a choice, it's a destination. So, if you're considering your next dream car, one that offers a perfect balance of style, performance, technology, and unmatched reliability, the Lexus ES 2026 deserves a top spot on your list. This is not just a car, it's a refined expression of what luxury can be in the modern age. Thanks for watching The Dream Cars, and stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most exciting and desirable vehicles.